we're on a panel with a bunch of other couples. Is that enough? Extra dirty. Just cooking dinner. I don't have wine, so I figured I'd make myself a little martini. I haven't had one in a while. It's alright. Just one. Italian bread's defrosting. Shoot. We got the steak, grill life, it's actually really nice out. It's been cloudy all day, but it's been like a nice temperature, and I don't know, I ain't hating on it. Tomorrow we're supposed to go to the beach, me and Sam and Jen. We haven't seen Jen in so long, so it should be nice.
What smells so good?
What smells so good is what I'm cooking. Life of an Italian pig. Bread, bread, more bread.
Oh, it's the mozzarella sticks.
It's the sauce, it's the fried zucchini, it's that. So, I'm just doing my mask and blackhead nose strip. That's what I'm doing. Rejuvenating today, Sunday. No food. And then I'm doing my nails. And I just bought this color. It is San Tropez by Essie. And I'm also gonna pack my beach bag for the beach tomorrow because I'm going, I told you, with Sam and Jen. So, I'm gonna do that. So we are all at West Meadow, like old times. Yep. Jenny is hiding, getting ready. And, ew! Are you broadcasting that? No, it's video. I'm never wearing shorts. I hate wearing shorts, but... So beautiful. Just going for a walk in this really beautiful area. This is actually kind of a creepy yard. Oh my gosh. Right? It's like, it looks like Hocus Pocus or something. Right? In the woods. Huh? Oh my gosh. Look at how burnt I am. I look so scary. Ew, I hate it. And then like the sunglass thing. Oh, I hate it. I just hope tomorrow it settles down. Because it's not like super burnt. It's just way too much color. Ew, I don't like this nail color. This is the color that I said I was gonna do. If you guys watched my latest video, I talked about me giving up social media and my cell phone once a week. It went good. I got a lot of like downtime, a lot of work done, a lot of just like, Danny was really busy that day, so I decided like to hang out with him. But it was just really good. It was really good. It felt good. So definitely doable for sure. I encourage you to try that once a week. So scary. Can't even look at myself. Alright, ciao. Currently what I'm dealing with right now.
You remember that in the club? When this came on?
No.
And everybody was like...
Me and Danny are on a panel tonight at this church. Speaking on stage, so I'm a little nervous, but I'm not gonna even say that. I don't think I'm wearing this blazer. I don't know. I like the way I look, but I want to be more casual. So I might just wear this t-shirt. Heels. I really don't know. And then like a denim jacket. I don't know what to do. Anyway, this will have already happened by the time you see this. So I was gonna say pray for me, but ooh, it got nicer out. It was like so hot earlier. How you doing, babe? This is a breeze for you.
No, it's not.
It's not?
No.
So well. What a gross day. So gross. Okay. Nice and rainy. Oh my gosh, I thought, guys, my camera broke yesterday and I was so upset. But it was just the battery died. So I'm all over the place because I'm filming this and this is part of the vlog, but it's later on, like a couple of days later. I'll probably have footage before this. I'm just all over the place. But no, I never talked to you guys about how that went on the panel with Danny. I don't know why. It was really amazing. I mean, I don't speak in public, like I said, and I wasn't nervous up until like a couple hours before, and then once I got there, I felt such a peace in the room, and then I was calm. I ended up crying a little, just because I felt like touched in the Holy Spirit. And so just a little though. So after that I was like, oh, I feel good. Like that, some of that energy, that negative, like just feelings just kind of washed out of me. And so I felt like just renewed. And then Danny was just like, I'm nervous to get up there. He speaks all the time, but he always gets nervous. So I'm like, you're nervous. Anyway, it went well. The stories were so awesome. And then, me and Danny talked about our whole story, our whole situation. Danny's was so powerful. I don't know how to explain it. I wish that you guys can see it, or I don't hope that it's recorded. I want to find out because I really want to share it with you guys. One of the most meaningful and blessed nights for me, I feel like. Anyway, so it went well. Okay, I'm heading to the bank, actually, so I work soon. It's a gloomy, rainy day. Oh my goodness. I will catch up with y'all later. Ciao.
You didn't go to Danny's dad for Father's Day?
I picked up a shift.
Oh.
Because I needed money for rent, and
You probably made good money yesterday.
Nope.
No? Alright, I'm ready to go. Here we go, camping.
Just at the glorious backyard of the Ridgey family. You will take your... Do it.
It's just cold.
You going all the way under?
It's not gonna happen for me. It's not in the cards right now.
I think I have to change this bathing suit top. My tan lines are gonna be crazy. Alright. So guess what? Guess what? Take a freaking wild guess. That's right. Getting a car wash. Finally getting a car wash. It's a miracle. It's a Christmas miracle, ladies and gentlemen. So gorgeous out. It is so gorgeous out. It's the middle of June and it's in the 70s. But I couldn't even lay out today, obviously, because of the burn, so whatever.
Something in the way you move, radiant beams casting pop when you. I know most of them gon' talk, I know. Most of them gon' fall, I know. I would go. It's like
Okay, I just want you guys to see the dust on this car. Can you see it? I don't know. It's gonna be clean real soon and I'm so excited. Oh my gosh, just look at this line. This is why. This is why. This is why I don't want to do it, you know? Damn. This is probably at least 2 hours. This isn't my car though.
But I don't know. Sushi to go skis me out.
Yeah.
It skis me. Even if it's like a 5-minute drive home, it's just like sitting. Like I like
done
it fresh to my.
Yeah.
It's just
better
not the
over
same. Not the same experience.
Well, Abigail.
I don't know. I guess sushi. It's
Danford, Soundport. Yeah.
we could.
Let's
go to Red Lobster for the lobsters. I know. Tubs and Deck. Patrick. Kyle. You just You're fired. You're fired. We just said, what if we just sneak in the back and just sit ourselves on the patio? My brother will take us, so nobody will judge us.
I still judge.
I know. That's why we're leaving.
Well, that's why we're going to sushi. What?
I would have known you were here.
You would have sensed it.
You can sense us.
Didn't know
I saw Rob today in Target.
Rob who?
Rob who? I'll let him know.
Rob?
I'll let him know tomorrow when we see him.
I don't want this. I want tossed salad.
Sam,
What's the point?
You're going to get a whole meal. I want the greens. That's the greens.
That's not greens.
It's green.
No.
It's green.
I really wanted the carrots, beets, cucumber.
And Gabby was our server when we were down here filming it.
That's good.
She was a hot mess. Covered.
Sea bass and flounder. I was Sebastian. I was called sea bass. Flounder.
I'm sure he likes that nickname.
I'm a little chilly now. I'm a little rabbit. A little chilly. So one celery and carrot.
Get over the celery and the carrots, lady. There isn't any celery in that.
We haven't done it. They have plenty. Give me it. I should go back there myself.
If it'll shut you up.
Excuse me, sir.
Hi.
Whispering to me before?
Yep. He's creepily.
Yeah, just a tad bit.
Sea bass.
I don't like that. I really
sorry.
don't. Or Gucci.
See, that's what I said.
Yeah.
Or
I said,
Gucci.
I'm like, I'm sure he appreciates that.
Wait, I call him Gucci, dude.
No.
Wait, you like
It's
Gucci?
definitely an insider. It's not big.
It's not.
What is an insider? Inside joke?
Inside joke, yeah.
No, between her and someone else or you?
Mm-hmm.
No.
I don't know. I think it was her between her and Keith.
Gooch.
Yes.
Don't get weeded, guys. Don't get weeded. Leave.
No?
No.
A little size.
Nah.
Cucumbers and carrots.
You know what though, Danny? You are just like that when you've eaten here. Yes, you are. Yes, you are. When I had you at the high top, what did he ask for? He was like a side of this, a side of that. Could you just get me a drink? But can you make sure that it's got extra ice on the side?
No, I was not that bad.
Yeah, you were. I remember.
But,
Cucumbers, carrots, and
wait, 1 second. Oh, yeah, that's...
You are a sassafras young lady.
I didn't have a smoothie today.
I'm beautiful. I have.
Ew, the sun's like on my face and very
Oh,
round.
yeah. I have just NARS. Oh, that's what I had to get NARS concealer.
From
Yeah.
there.
Marvin.
Cucumbers, carrots, and
He
beets.
adores me. He's adores me. Oh, now he adores me.
He's pissed.
No, he was teaching me Spanish. I learned from him.
Quiero
más papas fritas, por favor.
Give me some fries, please. What?
Can I have some fries? Yes. And you go, quiero uno or quiero dos.
And I know.
Hola.
Le masa.
¿Qué pasa?
No.
La plátanos.
Los platos.
Platos.
Platanos are.
How do you say take the plates to the
Platanos
back?
are the fried bananas?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. Marvin, can you take these plates? How do you say that? Can you take these plates?
Quiero.
¿Te puedes llevar los platos?
You say it too quick.
¿Puedes
¿Puedes
llevar los platos?
llevarnos platos?
And,
¿Quieres?
and clean my tables is la mesa.
How do you know? I said that. La mesa. La mesa.
Clean my tables.
Wait,
now.
la mesa what? Limpia la mesa.
Yep.
How do you know that?
Anthony taught me that one.
Oh, really?
Yep. Very good. Exactly what I wanted.
Oh my gosh. Hey guys, I went to Sephora. Actually, I went to Barnes & Noble's. Okay, I go here just to go to Barnes & Noble's. That's it. So I needed to get a Bible study, and they don't have any. So anyway, I ended up getting this devotional. It has it for the morning and the night, which is really cute. It's by Billy Graham. And then I've been up to Sam here. I forgot I had to get my concealers, so I got concealers. And ginger and a small one custard, because I usually mix it. And then my tried and true. I've been without it for so long. What did they give me? Ooh. Samples. Yeah. Now, I gotta go pick up some water.